Hello, it's Stacy Glow. My today's makeup lesson is called How to Put Gucci Makeup. Are you interested? At first, I will take a red eyeliner and draw. You will never guess what. However, if you are familiar with Gucci images, you might guess. So, this is gonna be a snake's tail at the end of the eyebrow. Under the eyebrow, using the same eyeliner, I will draw the middle part of the snake. This snake print has been used by the House of Gucci on their products since 2016. The snake has become a new symbol of Alessandro Michele's collection. On one of the fashion shows, this snake was present on the podium in the model's hand in the same color which I'm going to draw right now. This is a royal snake called coral spit. It's quite difficult to find since it is a rare type. I think this very snake was chosen by Alessandro in order to confirm once again that Gucci is a very original and expensive brand. Have to draw the beginning of the snake. It will be above the eyebrow. This trend to add snakes to makeup started when everybody was getting ready to celebrate the new year of the snake. I mean that of the blue or water snake. It was 2013. Besides, snakes are often drawn at Halloween to do the makeup more effective and horrifying. However, it is also known that snakes bring success, so maybe it's worth trying to use it in the makeup not only before some thematic events. For now, you can draw a snake similar to mine, for instance, Gucci's symbol, an interesting combination of colors. True, if you won't dare to settle a snake on your face for no reason, take into account that 2025 is going to be the year of the green wooden snake. Now, the head. I'm drawing it with a black eyeliner at the beginning of the eyebrow. I'm gonna make our snake more beautiful and approximate to Gucci's symbol by adding white stripes to it. I'm drawing them with a white pencil. Basically, drawing a snake on one's face is considered to be weird. Nevertheless, this feature has already become a real Instagram beauty brand. By the way, you may meet a lot of original stuff there. For instance, eyebrow feathers or eyebrow braids. Right now, I will draw black lines using a black eyeliner. On the white stripes, I will circle the snake's contour with it. Next, I'm going to blend two shades of eyeshadows, turquoise and green, and I will apply these new colors to the whole eyelid. Green and red colors compose Gucci's business card, namely the stripes in such colors. This symbolism of the brand was created back in 1950s. They remind about the equitation. Equestrians used to fix the saddle on the horse with the girth and tie straps. to the underfold of the eyelid. I will apply and blend dark shades, making a smooth transition. Then I'm gonna apply turquoise and green shadows, this way highlighting the lower fold of the eyelid. By the way, Gucci started to produce cosmetics relatively not long ago. However, this first line was extremely expected by their fans. Makeup is the key element for every fashion show from Gucci. That is why idea, eyes, skin and lips serve as a kind of accessory for the main part, the clothes, in order to create a cool look together. Frida Giannini, the creative director of the brand, accepts it this way. To create a balanced line, Gucci spent quite a lot of time. As a result, we can admire wonderful nail polishes, lipsticks and lip glosses, makeup foundations, eyeshadows and mascaras, even more brushes. All these products are very convenient, of high quality. In addition, you can... Right now, I will draw the wings. I'm using an eyeliner for this. Not a standard black one, but a red one this time. Generally, Gucci style has always been known for its conservatism. However, the new creative designer, the one I mentioned about earlier, adds brightest scent and colors. He adores red and combination of bright contrasting colors in general. At this point, I will put a highlighter on my face for the brighter look. I'm leaving my lipstick natural. Today my choice has stopped at beige matte lipstick. It best suits such bright eyes. And another advice from Stacy: you could think that green and red are uncombinable, but you simply need to choose sophisticated shades and everything gonna be supreme. I really like it. Don't be afraid to experiment with colors. Whoa, the snake is cool. I will leave it for myself as a token, and as a pet, I will take it everywhere for a walk, as Salvador Dali used to do with his ant bear. Here it is. Finally, my Gucci makeup is ready. This is what my today makeup lesson has been about. I hope you found this episode entertaining. If I'm right, press like. See you in the next release. Bye.